Yeah, as we earlier said, I told you in a previous video that if you have a smartphone and you're not using your smartphone to earn a little dime, then it is a loss to your side. You need at least to earn a little dime using your smartphone. You either monetize your content either on TikTok, on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, or whatsoever. This content will always put on this on those platforms. You can monetize them. If you need to learn how to monetize them, yes, you can also as well come and inbox me. I can teach you how to monetize on these different platforms. But my emphasis is one. There is what we call crypto trading. Crypto trading. You can engage yourself in crypto trading if you can if you know the trend, if you know what is going on, how the world is moving, cryptocurrency is gonna take over. Very soon, cryptocurrency is gonna take over, and not I'm not saying it's gonna take over tomorrow or the other day, but cryptocurrency is gonna take over. You know, we are moving to the digital era. Before, around 2007, 2009, around there, we were in analog. We used to have free to air whatsoever television or whatever. That was the analog era. We migrated to the digital era. We are now in the digital era. How come you are in a digital era and you don't have any digital asset? The digital assets are through crypto trading. If you need to earn a little dime, and if you need to move with the trend, please engage yourself in crypto trading. Before, crypto trading was not easy because you were supposed to sit and watch how the market goes. But now, with the help of artificial intelligence, they developed a robot that is gonna help you to trade. This robot buys when the prices are low and sells when the prices are high. Can you imagine? It means it makes money. You just set it, then it will make money in your absence. It's like if you can hire a shopkeeper. You hire a shopkeeper, and then you go and do your other business. Continue with your 9 to 5 jobs and any other kind of business you do. But you set your goal. You give your shopkeeper. This is the Royal Q robot. It will sell. It will buy at the lowest price, and it will sell when the prices are high. So if you need to learn more how to trade in cryptocurrency, please don't hesitate to come into my inbox and I will explain more. Yes, you only need two apps in your phone. One is called one is called Binance. Another one is called Royal Q. The Royal Q is your shopkeeper. The Royal Q is your shopkeeper. It is the one that is gonna help you to trade in your absence. It's gonna be monitoring the market. You just set your goal and tell it that I need a 5% out of this transaction. Then it will go. It will buy, sell, buy, sell. It buys whenever the prices are low, and it sells whenever the prices are high. That is how business goes, even in the contemporary world. You buy any commodity at a lower price, and you will need to sell it at a higher price so that you can get some profits. You get the point? If you need to learn more, just inbox me. I will teach you how to set your Royal Q, how to set your Binance, how to start trading in in cryptocurrency. Thank you very much.